Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to automatically create contact in Pipedrive CRM for every new employee added in Bamboo HR. So the idea here is that whenever a new employee is added in Bamboo HR, automatically the same employee should be added as a contact in Pipedrive. But here the question is that how to do this, just because there is no direct connection between Bamboo HR and Pipedrive. So as a solution, we have to create an integration or a connection between Bamboo HR and Pipedrive so that whenever a new employee is added in Bamboo HR, automatically the same employee should be added as a contact in Pipedrive. So for creating a connection, here we are using a software application named Pabbly Connect, which will help us in integrating Bamboo HR with Pipedrive automatically. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this application very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Bamboo HR account where I have created several employees over here, and this is my Pipedrive account. So now I want that whenever I create a new employee over here in my Bamboo HR account, automatically the same employee should be added as a contact here in Pipedrive account also. So let us create an employee over here. I'll just click on this plus sign, add new employee. So let's fill in the employee details over here. I'll give the employee ID as 177621. I'll give the first name as Avi, last name as Gupta. Let's select the gender as male and marital status as single. I'm not giving the address nor compensation. Here I'll just give the contact number. Let's give it as 8888406959. I'll give the work email over here, that is ayushi.laksh@gmail.com. Okay, I'm giving the hire date over here. Let's give the hire date as 2nd of November 2021. Employment status as full-time employee. I'm not giving the job information over here. And now let's click on save. So here we can see that Avi Gupta is added as a new employee here in Bamboo HR. So let us check whether the same employee is added as a contact in Pipedrive account also. I'll just refresh this page. And after refreshing this page, I can see that Avi Gupta is added as a new contact here in Pipedrive account also. So here you might be wondering that I just filled the details of the employee over here in my Bamboo HR account, and automatically the same employee is added as a contact in my Pipedrive account also. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you. First, I have created a connection between Bamboo HR and Pabbly Connect. After that, Pabbly Connect has captured all the employee details, and after that the same employee details are used and a contact has been created here in Pipedrive account. So in this way, we are going to learn how to create an integration between Bamboo HR and Pipedrive using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, I'll just click on this plus sign, and here in the browser, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a workflow name. So I have given the workflow name as create contact in Pipedrive CRM for every new employee added in Bamboo HR. So here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement also, and then click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So we want that whenever a new employee is added in Bamboo HR, automatically the same employee should be added as a contact in Pipedrive CRM. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Bamboo HR. In the trigger event, we have to select new employee. Click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key, password and subdomain. So we have to go to the Bamboo HR account. Here we have to come to this account sign, click on this, and here we can find API keys option. Simply click on this, and here we have to click on this plus sign, add new key. Here we can give a key name. So let us give it as Pipedrive integration, and let's click on generate key. Here we can find the key. Simply copy this key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the key over here. Now here we can see the instruction for the password. Enter API key and leave the password field blank. So we have to leave it blank. We are not going to give any details over here. Now subdomain is required. An example is also given along with a note that if you access Bamboo HR at this particular URL, so my company will be your subdomain. So let us go to Bamboo HR account once again, and from here I'll just click on this particular subdomain. I'll simply copy this Connect Pabbly will be my subdomain. Okay, I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste the subdomain over here, and now click on save. And now here we can see Bamboo HR is connected to Pabbly Connect. Before clicking on save and send test request, first let us create a new employee in Bamboo HR account, just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So I'll just go to Bamboo HR account. I'll close this particular window. I'll go to people option, and here I'll just click on new employee, and let us add the employee over here. I'll give the employee ID as 177698. Let's give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith. I'm leaving the date of birth. Let's select the gender as male, marital status as married. I'm leaving the address and even the compensation. Let's give the contact number. I'll give the mobile number over here. Let us give it as 7999 724 987. Let's give the work email as adamsmith25@gmail.com, and I'll just add the hire date as 1st of November 2021, employment status as full-time employee, and I'll just click on save. And here we can see that Adam Smith is added as a new employee here in Bamboo HR account. Now let us go to Pabbly Connect and let us click on save and send test request. So here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in Bamboo HR account, that is the details of the employees, is captured over here. That is name Adam Smith, his contact number, his work email, and we have left some of the fields, so these are blanks. Okay. Now here I want to give you an important information, that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that. Please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Now we want to create a contact in Pipedrive. So come to this action window, and here in the application name, let us select Pipedrive. In the action event, we have to select create person. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API token. So we have to go to Pipedrive account, and here again we have to come to this sign, that is our account sign, and here we can find personal preferences. Click on this. Here we can find API option. Click on API. From here we can find your API token. So simply copy this token, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the token over here, and simply click on save. And now Pipedrive is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the name, owner, organization and other details of the employee. So we have already got the employee details here. So we are going to map these details now. So let us map the employee name from Bamboo HR, and the employee name was Adam Smith. Owner, so owner, let's go to Pipedrive account, and owner will remain same, that is Ashmita Rai. So we are not going to change the owner over here. Organization, this particular person is not in Tesla, so I'll just change it to others. Okay. We have to map the email address of this employee from Bamboo HR, and this was the email address. And let's map the phone number. So phone number, I'll just map it from Bamboo HR once again. Here we have to select the label option ID. So when we go to the Pipedrive account, so I'll take you to the contacts. Here we can see the label option is available. If you want to add some label to this particular contact, you can give the label over here. As it is not mandatory, I'm just leaving it as blank. Now visible to, so it should be visible to only owner or owner's visibility group. You can select as per your requirement. I'm selecting it as entire company. And now let us click on save and send test request. The response is received and it is showing as success. So let us check whether this particular employee is added as a contact in Pipedrive account or not. We have to refresh this particular page, and here I can find Adam Smith is added as a new employee over here. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. I'll minimize this Bamboo HR also. Okay, so in this use case, we want that whenever a new employee is added in Bamboo HR, automatically the same employee should be created as a contact in Pipedrive account also. Here, first we have created an integration between Bamboo HR and Pabbly Connect. After that, Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new employee, and then the same details have been used and a new contact has been created in Pipedrive account. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Bamboo HR and Pipedrive using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.